Just allow me to share. Allow me to share. Please allow me to share the screen. Please allow me to share the screen.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, sir. You can now. Sir, I permit you, please.
Yeah. So this is what we consider. So then this is what plastic, use of plastic under protected condition cultivation. This is the quality of grapes, and as compared to the open condition, this is open one. We find very few bunches on the vine. Whereas this one, before of pruning of this one, after once we prune that vine, this is taken care by the plastic. So protection is there by use of plastic. So likewise, this is what the quality also we get, and we get very good this one. Now the table grapes, what we told, we thought of what is required for that particular region. So what that table grapes and cultivation under so and so condition. Then now we have got one variety, that is Manjari Medica. Manjari Medica is a variety between a cross between Pusa Naurang and Flame Seedless. So one Pusa Naurang was the juice variety and Flame Seedless was a table grape variety. We have made this. So now juice is of very good quality, 68 to 71% juice recovery. Then dark red color juice is there. So it has got higher antioxidants and anthocyanin content in that variety. This is the variety. This is the vineyard, and it gives very good crop in that one. So this variety also we said like a game changer juice variety, suitable for well from west. So zero waste processing concept have been developed from this variety particularly. This is how what is that zero waste concept, processing concept? So zero waste processing concept is known because this variety is used for juice. One thing for it is make for juice. Then from juice we make a high value juice. Then a pomace also it is there. So from pomace, what we do, skin powder we are removing. Then grape seed oil is also there. From pomace we are removing skin powder, and then we are removing grape seed. So from grape seed, what we are doing, grape seed we are taking out seed oil. We are extracting oil. Then seed extract is also there, seed extract. Then that is there again. Then from skin, first we have taken seed too, and then we are taking up skin. So from skin powder, we are making bakery products, food additives. Again, bakery products like what? Bakery products means you are doing bread, then yogurt, then biscuits. All these things are being prepared by replacing maida. We have replaced maida even up to 15 to 25%. So that is giving, again, it is not just we have maintained, we have replaced, but we have improved the quality. It's a high value. So we have increased its eatable quality. So then this high value juice, first pomace, from pomace we have done this thing, then juice the pure juice and blended juice. Pure juice is the dark red color. It's a very good juice. Pure juice. We don't require to add any sugar from outside. And it can also be blended. It can also be mixed with other fruits, other varieties, grape only. Then juice and then solvent. From solvent, what we are doing? Solvent extraction. So juice we have extracted, and from that juice, what we have done, we are doing this pure anthocyanin has been extracted. Anthocyanin capsule we have made. Then through spray drying formulation, and then value-added products again. Grapeseed oil is there. Anthocyanin capsule antioxidant properties has got very good antioxidant properties. Anthocyanin capsule, some 4 to 5 gram anthocyanin per kg of fresh grapes are being extracted by doing this thing. So this process is called as zero waste processing. So not a single part, not a single portion of this grape is getting wasted, because pomace is taken, juice is taken, seed is taken, and from the juice itself again high value compound like anthocyanin capsules and all, it is being done. So this is what juice, then biscuits, breads, then this one high antioxidant medica juice capsules. These are capsules of anthocyanin capsule. Grape drink also we are preparing. Then this is oil, grapeseed oil. So all these type of things there are, so that way zero waste concept. So if we consider, if this is a very good variety, if it has got very high value compound in this one, this type of a grape cultivation needs to be taken so that industry can flourish, so that the statement or this concept of doubling the farmers' income of Honorable Prime Minister of India, that can be achieved. So doubling the farmers' incomes means grape also we will be harvesting, then the juice also will be making, and out of pomace we will be using all this seed oil, grape seed oil, the bread, biscuit, and jams, all these things are not jam, these are breads and cookies also. Then capsule, all these products we can make, and by this way we can double the farmers' income. So grapeseed oil, Manjari Medica extracted grapeseed oil, what we have seen. So these are the parameters which we study: saturated fats, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats. See this is the percentage and how it is being supported. So extraction process, by this one, 6 to 8% oil recovery should be there. So lipid and all this, they are all health benefit. So here total, this is vitamin E is the most important factor, most important constituent of this particularly this variety. So that is important. So by doing this, what could be the way forward for your region, Madhya Pradesh? There should be there is a need to grow short duration variety, because you get rainfall early monsoon we get there. So November means May and May only you get May or June you get rainfall. So before you get rainfall, there should be a harvesting of that variety. Those varieties or the fruits should be ready for harvest before the rain start. Otherwise, there will be a berry cracking. Otherwise, there will be a disease incidence. So if it is there, we will have to think of varieties, short duration varieties like Manjari, Naveen variety is there. Flame seedless is also there. Then a perlite is there. Pusa perlite, Pusa, Trishar, Pusa, Aditi. All these type of varieties in this region, Madhya Pradesh region, needs to be grown. Then those varieties which are there should be grown under plastic cultivation. Should be used. The plastic should be used for this one, growing up grapes under that condition, that region. So for this plastic also, it is costing again. So use of plastic should be encouraged. Then the farmer should get the subsidy for using that plastics or protected cultivation. All this. Then in that region again, if your grapes are not there, table grapes are the demand, it is not more, or if it is other way, juice and wine industry should come forward for substituting these things. If farmer can grow table grapes also, same farmer can grow even wine grapes also, and of course, and juice purpose also. Of course, so wine grapes are different, wine variety, their cultivation practices are different, and they are not meant for eating also. But still, there is a scope that it can be done or it can be used for these things. Thank you very much. My topic is over. हेलो हाँ मैं लेक्चर में था, थोड़ा वेळ लावतो फोन.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to request all the participants if they want to ask any question. The
Yes, sir.
hello, Tiwari sir. Okay, sir. So now, thank you very ma'am. हेलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. मैं पूरी सेज यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से आपका बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करना चाहूँगा कि आपने हमारे साथ अपना बहुमूल्य समय दिया और हमें बहुत ही अच्छा सेशन सुनने को मिला जो आज का टॉपिक था. थैंक यू करना चाहूँगा मैं सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स का भी जिन्होंने पूरे सेशन के दौरान अपनी उपस्थिति प्रदर्शित करी है. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. तिवारी सर,